Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a nerf war, or Quinn and Shawn, or I'm gonna be the cameraman. And the nerf war already started, but they both have the same amount of darts and the same amount of health. They both have 3 lives. So yeah, guys. Quinn, how you doing? How you doing, Quinn? Doing good? You're Shawn. Does it count if you hit him in the head but on the hat?
Yes.
Okay. What? So it does count? Okay, good. Because that should count. I mean, it won't hurt. Shawn, stop making that beeping noise. I'm using the walkie-talkie. See, look. Hey, Shawn, do you hear me? Kidding me? Shawn, can you hear me? Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna go up to see how Shawn. How much lives do you have? For yourself. Okay. Hey, Shawn.
Yeah.
How much lives you have?
3. Do I have 3?
Yeah.
I totally regret this. My gun is not the rain.
Hey, Shawn, are you confident about this round?
A little bit.
So you're using that modified meteor, huh?
Yep.
Nice. Sorry if I'm distracting you.
It's alright.
I'm just trying to get a visual on the war here. What are you doing, Quinn?
I think he's trying to tune into the radio right now.
Ellery! Dude, just put it back up. Jeez. Just put it back up. You don't have to yell like a rage person. You always rage. Bro, I was like, stop, don't do that. You're always like, I don't know why. Like when I just touch your gun, you're always like, stop, don't do that, idiot. Hey, Shawn, do you hear me?
That is grand scale cheating.
He said it's cheating. Open it up. I'll open it up for you.
Thanks.
He's coming below you. He's not in here anymore.
You know, it's not really fair if you point out his every move.
Yeah, true. Shawn, what do? Okay, I'm gonna put the walkie down. Woohoo.
Aim for...
Quinn, confident about this one?
Not really.
No? Well, Shawn's kind of confident.
He has more rounds than me.
Yeah, by 2.
No, 4.
Oh, he's shooting down fast. Jeez. Don't worry, you still got this. He has a spare drum mag. How you doing, Quinn?
Oh, man.
Quinn, are you gonna go for the rampage? Maybe. Shout. Got the walkie here.
You should give that to Quinn.
Oh, Quinn, here, do you want the walkie? But then you can know where he is.
Well, he'll know where I am. He just has to press the call button. Quinn, it's not really fair if you close that door.
Quinn, don't do that.
There's super item more coming for me.
Don't do that, Quinn, no. Don't close it. I mean, don't open it. Yeah, close it.
That door, the only place you can shoot me is from the bottom.
I'm turning the walkie off. Okay, come on. Quinn, are you going? Quinn, you took a... He's dead.
Ow.
You're dead, Quinn. Quinn, you're dead. I saw it.
I know I'm dead. I'm not numb.
He knows.
Shawn,
GG though.
are you happy that you won?
Sure.
It
Okay.
makes him feel like 20
Thanks,
rounds.
guys. Shawn won. Go up, check his channel.
Drum never was
go out to check his channel. His channel is called Shadow Dragon. Thanks, guys. Make sure to subscribe to him. He makes awesome music. Oh, it's still recording. Well, I accidentally pressed the flip camera button. So, goodbye.